In this video, I'm going to share some real talk on first-time homebuyer DIY projects that'll save you cash and make your new place feel like home without stressing you out. So, when you're fresh into owning a place, the first thing I always say is, start small, think easy stuff like painting walls or swapping out light fixtures. It's way less overwhelming and gives you that instant glow-up feeling. Next, get yourself some basic tools like a hammer, screwdriver set, and measuring tape. You don't need a full workshop, but having the right gear makes all the difference. When picking your paint colors, go for light and neutral tones to keep the vibe chill and make rooms look bigger, plus, it's easier to match with furniture later. If you're tackling flooring projects, consider peel and stick vinyl tiles or laminate options because they're budget-friendly and less of a hassle than hardwood. For plumbing fixes, like changing a faucet or fixing a leaky sink, always turn off the water supply first. Trust me on this one. Don't forget about safety. Wear gloves and goggles for stuff like sanding or using power tools. And hey, use YouTube tutorials or online forums for step-by-step guides. It's like having a buddy showing you what to do without judgment. Lastly, always measure twice before cutting anything. This old trick saves tons of headaches and money on wasted materials. One of the biggest mistakes I see first-time homebuyers make with DIY projects is jumping into complicated stuff like electrical work without knowing what they're doing. This can be super risky and expensive if you mess up. Another common issue is underestimating how much time a project takes. People think they'll be done in an hour but end up spending all weekend stressing. Lastly, people often forget to budget for unexpected costs like extra materials or tools, which throws off their whole plan. The fix? Stick to simple projects at first, give yourself plenty of time to finish, and always set aside a little extra money just in case. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, saving you from wasting time on shady folks. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to find steady work and connect with people who need your skills without all the usual hassle.